Hello guys, welcome to Spot Channel. Today I will give you a tutorial how to use Google Drive for beginner. Before that, how are you guys? So you don't miss any of our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First, we must have the Drive application. It's more easier to you to access. Click Drive application here, and you directly to be your Drive. This is more of the feature in here. You can see the home, that is the all of your file. You can go to started and share this file that you get the file from the others, or you can share the file from the others. This is a files that you can to make the file here, and this is a trip here, and the reason you make, or you send reason your upload, reason your download. This is a trash or offline mode. This is a trash here. This is the feature that file that you have to be deleted, and then have a settings, backup, help and feedback, and the storage. The storage, if you need to more of the storage, you can buy the storage on your Google Drive. Okay, how to make the file from your Google Drive? You can see that you can click plus here, and you can give, or you can make the Google Drive in about the Google Docs in same with Microsoft Word. Google Sheet is same with Microsoft Excel, and Google Site same with Microsoft Excel. You can also upload something or upload the file from your Google Drive. You can click the upload here, but you can scan here. You can also create folder if you want to. Folder is not mess. You can create it. Okay, this is a tutorial how to use Google Drive for beginner. Thank you for the attention. I hope this video is useful for you, and thank you.